All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Malaysia. This is from MyKuali, I believe, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh boy. So, since 2013, MyKuali of Malaysia has absolutely inundated my top 10 lists, whether it be the spicy that their original Penang white curry launched into in 2013, or that one in the regular top 10. They have a Penang, Hokkien prawn, which is delightful. They've got a red tom yum goong, which is absolutely amazing, and other varieties that are just out of this world. This is new stuff. All right, black curry. Any idea? I have no clue, and I'm really looking forward to it because I know that it's going to be good, because I really haven't had much stuff from this company that's not been good. I can't think of anything. So this is something brand new. And they haven't really clued me in at all about it. So yeah, so this is something to try out. And another new one. And I gotta say, I really like their new packaging. This is Goreng Mamak. And I'll have to ask them more about it. It definitely says it's an authentic Penang flavor. The other one said it was a different. It says the black curry is Kochabi flavor, and I don't know what Kochabi is. I'll have to learn more about that. But yeah, I am really, oh boy. Well, thank you very much to the kind folks over at MyKuali for sending these samples of these brand new varieties. I am really excited to give them a try, and if you haven't tried their stuff, I highly recommend it. It's top 10 stuff. It's been on top 10 lists for over 10 years now, I think, or at least 10 years. Yeah, so give them a try. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.